welcome back to my channel Learn with Shaista S. So friends, today I am with you all with a new project in Scratch, and its name is, or you can say its topic is simpler, or you can say a great music instrument and with a sweet rhythm. So let's see the demo of this project. So this time it's different. We don't need to click on green flag. Whenever we'll click on this sprite, means on this keyboard, we will get a rhythm. So let's see the demo. I have clicked on the keyboard and you can see. So you can listen the rhythm which is by this keyboard, which I have made by coding. You can see. Even you can see background is there, and even its keyboard costume is also running. One time it's simple and one time it's different, so you can see here. So let's see what's the code of this. So you can see this is very simple. Let me small it. So this is, even more are there here, and you can see here. So you can see here, this is a very simple coding guys, and there is no coding for background. You can see the coding is only for the keyboard, and that is very simple. We have to just do it, copy paste, and then the sprite click, and we have to switch the costume. So let's create it. So let's go on file and click on new, and now it will load. And till it's loading, I would like to tell you guys that if you didn't subscribe to my channel, so please subscribe it and ring the bell icon to get my all videos notification, and also please like this video and share with your friends. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start. So first we will give a title to this project. So we can give like sweet rhythm. You can say sweet rhythm keyboard. You can give like this. Okay, then click on go. And now first let's take a backdrop. Click on backdrop and search bar, then click on outdoors, and then click on blue sky 2. And I don't want this color, so you can also change by clicking on backdrops, and just delete the first one, and this we can change the color. So I'll go here and I will choose the color. Yes, I can choose this, and now fill it. I just clicked here, it has been filled. So now you can see here the backdrop has been changed. Now click on the sprite button and click on search bar and take a music instrument. So let's see, click on music. Yeah, and there are many music instrument. So take a keyboard, trumpet, microphone, so many are there. So we will take a keyboard. Yeah, and let's increase its size to be 250. We can do. Yeah, so it will be look more bigger. Yes. Now just this time I have said that we will not take this when I green flag. Instead of this, we will take when this is sprite clicked. So whenever we will click on this sprite. So first let me just zoom it. Yes. Whenever this sprite click, so what will happen? Let's see. So first we will go on sound when this sprite click. Then we will take as many start sound C2, and so many we will take. Or we can copy it also. And let's go on control block and take wait 1 second. Okay. So first we will take the A elect piano. Okay, A electric piano, then B electric piano, then C electric piano, and then D electric piano, and in between them let's wait them for 1 second in between one rhythm. We will again take wait a second this, and now again go on sound block and take E electric piano. To make a beautiful and very sweet rhythm, we will go line by line. Yes, you can see. Let me small it. Yeah. Now you can see here. Then wait for 1 second again, and then go on sound. Click on start sound and take F electric piano. So let's click here. This is very simple, I can say, method for wait for 1 second and then the sound rhythm. So this is very easy and I can say very fantastic and so I can say easy project, and it's also enjoyable. So now after F we will do the last is remain only. So A B C D E F we have done, E F, and then there is no G is here. Yes, G is here, so we will take G. Then again we will go on control block as we have done, and then wait a second. So you can see this full, and now go on sound, click on start sound, and you can see here C2 electric piano. Otherwise the next is our, we can record also, but we don't need to record, that's why the last one C2 electric piano. And then on control block we will go, wait a second, here we have done, and now you can listen this. So guys, you can listen the very sweet rhythm, and to make it continue, what we will do, we will go on, we will click on repeat block. So we will click on repeat block and we will see. So here on keyboard we have gone, and now just drag it here, you can see here, and now repeat block we will take and we will repeat it just for one. So we will repeat it just for one. So let's click on here, let's zoom it, click on 10 and choose one only, and then just drag it here. And now this is a very simple method that without wasting time, what we will do, we will just click here and we will duplicate it here. So you can see this we have done. This is the simple, I can say, method. And now we will just remove this repeat block from here because once is there. Okay, so you can see this full coding, I have zoomed it here. Now this we have done, what we will hear, that it will be continue. Now I want also the changing of costume. So what I will do, that whenever this sprite clicked, I want that forever, I'll take a forever block, I'll drag it here, and then I'll go in looks block and I will take it to look block. First keyboard A, I'll choose keyboard A, and after 1 second it will change the costume in keyboard B. Okay, so you can see here I have zoomed. Now let's see how it's going. You can see the costume is also changing, and plus its rhythm is very sweet. You can see here guys. So as you have seen that forever it's also going, and the coding is also simple. And what we have done, that we have wait for it for 1 second, and there is no coding for background. You can see this is very easy method. So let's again just save it, and now let's see on the demo again on a full screen. Just click on this piano. You can see the backdrop is simple, and also the costume is changing and sweet rhythm is there. So yes guys, this is all about today. Hope this is very easy and very enjoyable project for beginners of Scratch. And guys, this is all about today. If you like this video, so please like, share and also comment me, and please support me and subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell icon to get all